In all of the impulse drives, one of the fault codes that is generated if there's a problem on the output, the T leads to the motor, is an LF fault. If any of our impulse drives while running sense the loss of one of the three T leads between the drive output and the motor, the drive will trip instantaneously on an LF or output phase loss fault. Here we're running the drive, and we remove one of the phases. There it is, the LF fault, output phase loss. If this fault condition occurs, the drive shuts off immediately, sets the holding brake or brakes, and records this in the fault trace and the fault history. This indicates that the drive has lost one of its three phases on the output. Now, if I reset this fault, I have not reconnected one of the phases that we disconnected, so we've only got two legs coming out of the drive to the motor. I'm going to give the drive a run command, and the drive will continue to trip on an LF fault. Among other things, this is a safety feature guaranteeing that we have the proper amount of current flow to the motor that will safely control the load. The drive will not run unless it has a balanced three-phase on the output. That will have to be rectified before the drive will begin to go through its standard operation cycle.